If you own a generator, you probably feel the pain of rising diesel and gasoline prices. Oh no! But don't worry, because Group 2 has the solution for you. If you have used cooking oil, whether it's palm oil or canola oil, don't throw it away. That's liquid gold. We can turn it into biodiesel for your generator. And boom! Now you have a new fuel source that's renewable, biodegradable, and a great alternative to traditional fuel. Save money and help the environment. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Turn used cooking oil into new energy.
Imagine that fuel prices keep increasing. Pollution is getting worse and tons of used cooking oil from homes and restaurants are simply being thrown away. Traditional diesel fuels contribute to harmful emissions while sustainable alternatives are often too expensive or hard to find. But what if we could repurpose that waste oil into a clean and efficient fuel source? That's exactly what we've done. Our biodiesel, made from used canola and palm oil, offers a renewable solution that powers generators while reducing both waste and emissions. And today, we're here to show you how it works.
Today, we're introducing What Aways Biodiesel Oils, a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to diesel. Our product is made from used canola and palm oil, which we convert into biodiesel through a process called transesterification. This makes it a great option for off-grid areas that lack electricity while also being more environmentally friendly than conventional diesel. By repurposing waste oil, What Aways Biodiesel Oil helps reduce pollution, lower fuel costs, and promote a sustainable way of reusing oils. So, how does used oil turn into biodiesel through transesterification? It undergoes a chemical process where used oil is mixed with alcohol, the ethanol, and catalyst sodium hydroxide. This reaction breaks down the oil's fat molecules, transforming them into biodiesel and a byproduct called glycerol. The biodiesel produced is compatible with most diesel engines, requiring little to no modification, making it an accessible and practical solution for energy needs in remote areas.
So, let's explore the key features of biodiesel derived from used canola and used palm oil. First, the high oil content and low saturated fat level of canola oil biodiesel make it stand out and provide remarkable environmental benefits. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions by an impressive 90% compared to traditional fuels. Its low iodine content makes it especially appropriate for engine performance by lowering oxidation and engine deposits. While in palm oil biodiesel is known for its high production and affordability as a feedstock. It exhibits comparable performance to traditional diesel in generators, with an approximately 10% increase in specific fuel consumption, especially under low load conditions. This is due to its reduced mass-based heating values and greater density. Both canola and palm oil biodiesel provide numerous benefits such as reducing carbon emissions and environmental impact, creating sustainable waste management solutions for the restaurant and food service industry through oil repurposing. They are particularly advantageous for rural and off-grid communities seeking sustainable and affordable energy solutions. These What Aways biodiesel oils enable powered generator technicians to broaden their skills with sustainable alternatives.
What Aways biodiesel oils is produced through a controlled chemical process called transesterification. Collected used cooking oil is pre-treated to remove impurities, then mixed with the alcohol and a catalyst in a reactor vessel. This mixture is heated and agitated, allowing the oil's fat molecules to break down into biodiesel and glycerol. After separation and purification, we obtain a clear, yellowish biodiesel ready for use in generators.
For many years, diesel fuel has been the standard power source for small-scale generators. However,
The old method of relying solely on diesel prevents several drawbacks. Diesel fuel is known for its high cost, fluctuating prices, and significant contribution to air pollution. However, our biodiesel fuel offers a comprehensive solution to these challenges. Made from recycled cooking oil, which is palm and canola oils, our biodiesel provides a cleaner, more efficient, and cost-effective alternative. While biodiesel burns cleaner, reducing emissions and maintenance needs. Plus, it also offers greater price stability compared to traditional diesel fuel.
Doubting its capability? Having questions on its efficiency? Say no more with our Waterways package consisting of an affordable generator and an eco-friendly oil. Our generator is affordable but also dependable. With its 243 voltage, it can already make your appliances work, not just for an hour but also for a day. According to Larry Cook in 2020, house owners' voltage ranging from 100 to 250 voltage is already considered high. With our 243 voltage, which is about an average and not hitting the maximum range, we can assure you that your gadgets and appliances will be safe when they plug it in. Not just that, its fuel consumption is also not that consumable, allowing you to use it for about half an hour or even for 24 hours.
While diesel delivered solid power, biodiesels didn't just keep up. They took the lead in fuel efficiency and eco-friendliness. Palm oil biodiesel came out on top, producing more voltage, delivering steady electrical power, and using less fuel than both canola oil and diesel. This makes palm oil biodiesel the smart, sustainable choice for anyone looking to maximize energy output and minimize fuel costs. Palm oil biodiesel is the game changer we've been looking for. Not only does it cut down on fuel consumption, but it also delivers impressive voltage and consistent electrical power. By making the switch, you're not just fueling your generator, you're fueling the future of energy. The time for change is now. Palm oil biodiesel has proven its worth as the efficient, eco friendly fuel of tomorrow. Why wait? It's time to make the move.